Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install time of use charging with PG&E EV tariffs step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the PG&E website to access information on EV tariffs. Sign in to your PG&E account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the section dedicated to electric vehicle charging options. Review the different time of use tariff plans available for electric vehicle owners. Select the tariff plan that best fits your charging habits and lifestyle. Make a note of the pricing structure, including peak and off-peak rates. Consider your vehicle's charging schedule and typical usage to align with the tariff. Download the application form for changing your electric rate. Fill out the application with the required information including your account number and personal details. Submit the completed application form through the PG&E website or via mail, depending on your preference. You will receive a confirmation email from PG&E once your application is processed. Monitor your email for updates on your new time of use tariff status. After approval, adjust your EV charging schedule to optimize savings during off-peak hours. Install a smart charging station if you haven't done so already, as it helps automate your charging schedule. If needed, consult a professional to ensure your charging station is installed correctly. Start charging your electric vehicle according to the off-peak hours indicated in your new rate plan. Review your monthly PG&E bill to confirm the charges reflect your new tariff. Adjust your charging habits as necessary to maximize your savings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.